Hi, and welcome to your English class. Today, you're going to learn about some irregular verbs. These irregular verbs have all three forms that are the same. So the infinitive, simple past, and past participle are all the same. Here are 14 verbs that are the same in all three forms. Are you ready? Let's go. The first one, to hit. 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 To burst. Repeat. To burst. 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 To cost. 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 To cut. 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 To fit. 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 To hit. 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 To hurt. 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 To let. 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 To put. 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 To quit. 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 To shut. 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 To split. 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 To spread. 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 To upset. 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 Let's repeat all the verbs one more time. Bet. Burst. Cost. Cut. Fit. Hit. Hurt. Let. Put. Quit. Shut. Split. Spread. Upset. Thank you, and please feel free to watch the video again if you need to. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and I hope to see you at our next lesson. Bye.